Xoli, indeed, on Tuesday it will be a full month since the couple went missing on the 18th of February, and as outlined in the briefing, a month of worry and anxiety for the family. And what we've heard in the briefing, Xoli, as you rightly put it, no ransom has been demanded here, so the motive of them being missing or the kidnapping remains unclear, and police are working with a private investigator, Kelvin Rafadi, who was also part of the briefing here, in which Kelvin explained there that they are still searching. There was definitely signs of a house break-in on the day that they went missing, and they have no leads yet as to what could have been, what could have been the motive. Is it because Asiri, as a journalist, was he targeted because of as a journalist, and also Zodwa also going missing? So the briefing, the National Press Club outlining there, they have put together a reward of 50,000 Rand to be awarded to anyone who can come forth with substantial information to their whereabouts and what has happened to them. So certainly for the family, it's been a difficult time. And I want to bring in Zodwa's sister here, Lillian, to give us more details. Mam Lillian, as a family, how are you coping? And what do you make of the information that was presented here today? Ukabua, Mam.
La mathomo re kopa o leboga batho kaofela ba ba re thusitseng up to so far, and for briefing here today re leboga gagolo gore and we hope gore e tlo thusa for motho o monang o tlo bona Asiri o tlo bona Zodwa o tlo tseba gore ba ko kae, then a bona ransom a phone. Re hope na le tshepo ya gore after this briefing motho o tlo tlhaela with something new, because we are not coping at all. We are better. As a sister, I am better, and I have to be strong. The painful about me is just I have to be strong for myself. I have to be strong for Zodwa's children, because Zodwa's children, they are also coping. You can imagine taking people who are parents, both of them, they are parents, they've got kids who are looking after them. They have to take care of their children. Now, it was month end. Who's paying for their children's things, fees and transport? So you have to be there for your kids. So Asiri's children, they were looking at Asiri as their father. They are waiting for their father to come back every day, but their father is not there. Nhlanhla and Treasure are looking for their mother to come back, to call mother every day, but she's not there, she's not around. It's painful, it's draining the mind, it's draining the spirit, it's draining the soul. We have cried, we have prayed. There's nothing that we couldn't done, so we haven't done up to so far. So that's why we are pleading to anyone with any information, because this thing, it's frustrating and it's draining us as a family.
Absolutely. So Ma, we heard during the briefing that it could have not been because Asiri is a journalist. What do you make of him, the work he did, the work he was doing as a journalist, and this incident? What do you make of the entire situation?
At the moment, there's nothing I can say about that, because nobody knows what happened. Nobody knows why they have been taken. Nobody knows who took them. We don't have any information. Nobody is having any information. Nobody's coming up with anything. Nobody's claiming any money. Nobody's claiming anything. So it was better, at least, if someone is phoning us and telling us, this is the money I want, or maybe taking money from their account. So there's nothing that is happening. That's what is killing us every day, because we don't know wherever they are, if they are still alive or dead. It's so painful. Going to bed not knowing whether your sister is still alive out there, it's painful. It's killing us every day.
And I guess just a last one, Ma, we heard some of the information relating to signs of a house break-in, that things were taken from the house. What do you make of that?
We don't know whether it was house breaking or it was the people who took them. We don't know. We don't have any information. Even the police are still busy investigating that. We don't have any information about that.
We'll leave it there for now. Thank you. So, Xoli, as you can hear, a very deeply worrying situation for the family, in which they have no sense of peace as this goes on. And as the days go on, Zotwa's sister, they're saying they sleep with stress, and every day it's a worry as the days go on. Are they dead or are they alive? And this is some of the worry that the family has to carry. But certainly from this briefing, police investigations continue along with the private investigator to find out where they are and continuing with those investigations.
Very stressful time indeed for this family. Thank you very much, Katlego Sekgoto, covering that story for us.